pot of water on the fire, a little bit of salt, and when the water is boiling, you get your fresh broccoli, and you just drop it in it. That's called blanching. And then you take it out of the water. You don't let it sit in there. You do the same thing with the carrots, and you can just place it in a bowl and just put something to weigh down upon it. And then afterwards, when this is all over, there's one thing I forgot to bring. Gloves. I'll tell you guys about these other vegetables that I have. When it is all said and done, it's all over. This is all clean. You turn it down into your platter. And you're ready to go. It's very good, very important to eat a lot of squashes. Your heart loves it, your skin loves it, your blood loves it. Some foods make your blood become sluggish, you know, like